Hello, dear students. I hope that you all would be doing good. Students, let's start in the name of God, the most merciful and gracious. Students, in today's class, you are going to learn the use of about to in the past tense. When stating I was about to, you are informing someone that you were going to do something but an other event prevented you from doing it. It is similar to I am about to, but the difference is that you will not do it any longer. Since you will not do it any longer, it becomes a past event. Students, let's have a look on example sentences. The first sentence is I was about to raise my hand in class when Sally shouted out the answer. The second sentence is I thought my boyfriend was about to propose marriage, but he broke up with me instead. Students, let's have a look on the formula of about to. The formula of about to is subject plus was slash verb plus about to plus verb first form plus object. And the identification in Urdu is wala hi tha, wale hi the, wali hi thi. Students, now let's see how to make sentences by using about to. The first sentence is I was about to clean my room when you arrived. जब तुम पहुँचे मैं अपना कमरा साफ करने ही वाला था. He was about to give you some examples of tenses. वो तुम्हें टेंसेस के मुतालिक कुछ मिसालें देने ही वाला था. The servant was about to bring tea for the guests. नौकर मेहमानों के लिए चाय लाने ही वाला था. We were about to succeed. हम कामयाब होने ही वाले थे. You were about to buy this book. आप ये किताब ख़रीदने ही वाले थे. हसन was about to sell this house. हसन इस मकान को बेचने ही वाला था. So let's see how to make interrogative sentences by using about to. The first sentence is was he about to hide himself? क्या वो अपने आप को छुपाने ही वाला था? The second sentence is was the teacher about to take attendance of the students? क्या मुअल्लिम साहब तलबा की हाज़िरी लेने ही वाले थे? Were they about to disobey you? क्या वो आपकी नाफरमानी करने ही वाले थे? Was Hashim about to prepare for his exams? क्या हाशिम अपने इम्तिहान की तैयारी करने ही वाला था? Students, it was all about the use of about to in the past tense, and I hope that you enjoyed it and you found it helpful. Keep on learning English language with e.English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.